And it will be the battle, battle number 3 of the season between defending the DaCosta Cup champions, Clarendon College, who are looking to retain their title when they face parish rivals Glenmuir, while Frome Technical play McGrath in the Ben Francis Cup decider. Christopher Scott has a preview of Saturday's matches.
After pulling off an upset and handing Clarendon College their first defeat en route to winning the ISA Champions Cup, Glenmuir High will again contest another final, this time the DaCosta Cup against the same opponents. Head coach of Glenmuir, Andrew Peart, says nothing has changed in the camp in terms of how they have prepared from the start of the campaign until now as they seek their 4th hold on the title.
For us, the way we have prepared for the first game of the season to this game of the season, nothing changes for us in terms of our mode or our methodology in preparation.
Peart says even though winning the Champions Cup is a great achievement, they have one objective in mind.
When they start giving a pre-season, nobody says they're going to the Champions Cup training. They say they're all going to the DaCosta Cup training. So I guess that has been riveted in their minds from day one. The Champions Cup is just a journey on the way. And the fact that we're in the DaCosta Cup finals as well kind of brings to like a closure what you would have started.
And the technical director for Clarendon College, Glenmuir Hyde, says the team has gotten past the disappointment of not winning the Champions Cup and is ready to go on Saturday.
The mood is great, upbeat, ready to go. This is disappointed, yes, but such is the game. We just have to move on. Players are looking forward to this encounter again, and the vibe's right, man, and we're ready, you know.
Clarendon College are looking for their 11th DaCosta Cup triumph. Meanwhile, the Ben Francis Cup final will be setting the stage as Saturday's curtain raiser, where Frome Technical battles McGrath High. Jermaine Thomas, McGrath's head coach, believes his 6-year plan culminates this Saturday against Frome.
We are ready. We are here. We're no longer newbies, and nobody will ever see us as newbies. But we are here now to compete, and we're going to compete.
And for Frome Technical, they will have a chance to win a trophy for the first time in over a decade, and they want to represent their parish well.
I think we're ready for this one, and I think it's 16 years since the school have been to a major final. So the guys are ready, and we are all want to make another history for Westmoreland.
The Ben Francis Cup final will start at 3 p.m. while the DaCosta Cup final kicks off at 6 p.m. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.
All right, let's head into a break now on Primetime Sports Friday. When we come back, we give you a preview of that 3rd and deciding ODI between the West Indies and England, and we've got some netball on the other side. Stay with us.